Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be something really fun. I'm going to be putting up our Christmas tree. So this Christmas tree is the 7-foot classic Fraser fir from Tree Classics. You guys already know I love Tree Classics. I worked with them in a previous video and I also worked with them last year. So I love their quality of trees and I am super excited to decorate the Christmas tree this year. I am pretty sure I'm going to decorate a little bit early this year. As you can tell, I'm putting the Christmas tree up already. But I love Christmas. Christmas time is my favorite time. It's just something so magical about it. Putting up your Christmas tree or drinking hot chocolate by the fireplace. And our fireplace is actually done this year, so it's gonna look super cute with decor. And of course, Christmas movies. I love watching Christmas movies. They're so corny and so cheesy. And you already know those storyline every single time as soon as you turn it on, but you still watch because it's super cute. I'm still fluffing it. As you can tell, it's not, you can still see little holes in there, but I'm not done yet. I tend to fluff it out throughout the whole season. I see little spots, I'm like, oop, I need to fix that. Oop, I need to fix that. That's just how I am. So this tree is pretty cool because it actually has a lot of different options for lighting. It also has the colored option where it can be multicolored, or it can be all one color, or it can be dimmed. It's really cool. It can go back and forth between the color and the regular warm lights, and I love all options. I probably will leave it at the just all one color all the time just because I don't like the dimming effect, but it's also a cool option to have, especially if you have kids. I feel like kids will love this. Okay, so now my favorite part, it is time to decorate. I have some Hobby Lobby goodies that I just bought on top of my little bin. And then in here I have my favorite ornaments. Those velvet ornaments I got at Hobby Lobby, they're my favorite. And those are the main ones that I use when I decorate this tree. So let's get started. So I decorate my tree basically the same every single time. I always use a plaid ribbon. And this year I decided to incorporate some cute little beads I saw from Hobby Lobby. And I just love the way it all turned out. It just looks very, I don't even know. I guess I would say a little bit, honestly, to me, when I look at this tree, I just see traditional. I use a lot of poinsettias. I use florals. I use little bows and berries. So I don't know. I use the same things every year, but I love the way it came out. So here is the finished Christmas tree. All I'm missing is a topper. I normally put a bow up there, but I couldn't find my bows. But you guys will see in my full Christmas tour the way it looks in the end. I also haven't put our special ornaments that we normally put up there. Daryl and I do that together, so we haven't done that yet. But yeah, so I love the way this tree came out. Thank you so much to Tree Classics for sending this over to me. Make sure you guys go check them out. They always have really good deals. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this and got inspired for your Christmas tree. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.